Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial on how you use a free iOS presentation or whiteboard app called Flick, which you can see right over here. Now, before I demonstrate how you can use Flick for Judaic instruction and for staff development, I should say I'm making two assumptions. First, that you have an iOS device, such as an iPad, an iPad mini, or an iPhone, and you know how to place the Flick app onto your iOS device. So if this is true, let me show you how Flick can be used for Judaic instruction. I'm going to tap on Flick icon, and it should open it up. So what we see here is that on the Flick app, which is now opened, we have a video on Sukkot, we have an image for Rosh Hashanah, and we have some text. The text over here says, now look at the video on Sukkot above. Okay, and this text, of course, indicates that this presentation will serve as a demonstration of how the Flick app can be used for Judaic instruction staff development, and this text here indicates that the picture above relates to a Rosh Hashanah image. Now you note these various icons over here. The most important one is this one right here, because if you click on this, that will enable you to upload pictures and movies that you have contained in your various apps on your iOS device. So you can go to your photo library, your camera, your contacts, iCloud, Box, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. And you just click on these items and you can, for example, let's say I click on photo library. Okay, so we click on photo library, and you can get what is on your camera roll or your photo stream or your favorites, what have you. And that's how I was able to obtain this video and this picture. Okay, so let's give you an example of this. Let's take a quick look at this video on Sukkot that we made. All right, so let's click on it. I hope you can hear it. So here's a video on Sukkot that I made, but it's about using a different app. Let's just see how it works. Okay, I hope you can hear it.
Shalom Chavarim. So let's say you want to do a presentation through using 30 hands about Sukkot, and in the first slide we show a picture of people making a sukkah. In the second slide we show a picture of a woman or a girl decorating the sukkah.
Alright, so I'm going to stop that, and now you see how we were able to upload a video onto your Flick app. Okay, so here's a picture of Rosh Hashanah scene with some honey and apples. And the next thing I want to show you is, you see this icon over here? If you click on this icon, that will enable you to write something. Okay, so here's your item that you can write on. And I'm just moving this around. I'm going to not write on it. I'm going to actually delete it. But through this particular icon, this writing icon, you were able to make different kinds of text. So what have we said? What we have said is Flick is a free iOS presentation and whiteboard app that you could use to share with your students and share with your staff. and it enables you to upload pictures and videos and even write text on the Flick application as well. Thank you so much.